A landmark ruling as a court today finds social media companies liable for the features that put kids' mental health in harm's way.
A Los Angeles court awarding $6 million to the now 20-year-old who sued in this case. Here in the Valley, we're getting some reaction from legal and mental health experts on what could come next. Fox 10's Taylor Wirtz has more.
Those who specialize in helping teens with mental health issues say they've seen the addiction and problems social media can create firsthand. Legal experts say this ruling is setting a precedent for the thousands of similar cases filed across the country, including some right here in the Valley. It's what those in the legal world are calling a bellwether case.
It's going to really decide how lawsuits are brought going forward with these types of issues.
Meta and YouTube ordered to pay millions in damages to a 20-year-old California woman after a jury decided the companies designed their platform to hook young users without concern for their well-being.
It's given a roadmap, a framework of how to hold these social media companies accountable for their addictive qualities that inevitably lead a lot of young people to depression and anxiety and other mental health issues.
Staff at Avery's House, a residential mental health treatment center that specializes in caring for teens, say they've seen the damage social media can do.
Once you start following something or you click on something and now you're seeing a video about self-harm, the algorithm is going to pick up on that and it's going to start to spiral down this rabbit hole.
They say it's all too easy for teens to get addicted.
It's the same pleasure and reward loop system in our brains that we get from doing drugs or drinking alcohol.
Staff say young people are particularly at risk, and they do not fully understand the gravity of some of the things they're seeing and sharing online.
With the beauty culture, we're comparing ourselves to something that is unrealistic, but when you are looking at images over and over and over again, you start to believe that that's the norm and that you have to meet that norm.
While Wednesday's decision in California is the first of its kind, Attorney Joseph Tan, who's representing Mesa Public Schools in its own lawsuit against Meta, ByteDance, and Google, predicts it won't be the last.
I mean, the damages are very real. This isn't a case of, lawyers looking for a case. This is a case of a problem that popped up in our society.
Legal experts say the California ruling does not require any of these companies to make changes to their platforms. But it's likely they'll try and make some adjustments like age requirements to avoid further legal trouble in the future. Taylor Wirtz, Fox 10 News.